Ever wondered if there's a way to supercharge your workouts and get those gains you've been dreaming of? Let's talk about creatine supplements, your potential fitness game changer. So, what is creatine? Creatine is a naturally occurring substance found in your muscle cells. It's like your muscles' own little energy booster, especially during high-intensity exercises. You can find creatine in foods like meat and fish, but taking supplements can ramp up your levels way beyond what you can get from diet alone. Now let's dive into the juicy benefits of creatine supplements. First up, it increases muscle mass. Creatine helps your muscles retain water, which makes them look bigger. Plus, it promotes protein synthesis, aiding in muscle repair and growth post-exercise. If you're into resistance training, this is your ticket to boosting muscle mass and strength over time. Secondly, creatine improves exercise performance. It replenishes your ATP stores, the primary energy source for those short, explosive bursts of activity. Think weightlifting, sprinting, or powerlifting, creatine's got your back. And don't forget about recovery. Creatine reduces muscle damage and inflammation after those grueling workouts, speeding up your recovery time. It might even lessen the severity of exercise-induced muscle cramps and injuries. Building muscle isn't just about looking good, it brings some fantastic benefits too. More muscle mass means a higher metabolism, burning more calories even at rest. Increased strength and endurance translate to better performance in daily tasks and sports. Plus, resistance training and more muscle mass support bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis as you age. And here's a bonus: better insulin sensitivity can lower your risk for type 2 diabetes. But hold on, let's clear up a few myths. Creatine does cause water retention, but this water supports better muscle function and growth. It's not just water weight. And don't expect instant gains. Creatine works best with consistent training and proper nutrition. While generally safe, excessive use can cause minor digestive issues, so stick to the recommended dosages. Remember, creatine isn't a cure-all for medical conditions, so no wild claims here. To wrap it up, creatine is one of the most researched and effective supplements for building muscle, enhancing performance, and improving overall health. It's a safe and proven option when used correctly. So if you're looking to maximize your workouts, consider adding creatine to your routine after consulting with a healthcare professional, of course. Ready to take your fitness journey to the next level? Hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below.